Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over our mattress protectors worth it. And are mattress protectors, are they important to keep on your bed? And I can tell you right away, they are super important. First off, when you buy a new mattress, most of them have a warranty that comes with them, usually like a comfort exchange. And when you're using a comfort exchange, you can't have any stains on the bed if you want to return it. And if you have a mattress protector on it, you're covered. You could accidentally spill some type of fluid on the bed, and you could actually take off that mattress protector and you don't have to worry about it. Your bed will still be under your exchange warranty. But other benefits to having a mattress protector, talking about health. Your old mattress, like if the mattress is 8 years old, you don't have a mattress protector on it, it could almost double in weight after about 8 years. But with a lot of mattress protectors, for instance on these bed gears, they offer a lot of different things. So one, resist pet dander. So if you have allergies, they're kind of dander resistant. It blocks dust mites. And a lot of good mattress protectors are actually breathable. They resist water to where if you drop it and you clean it up fast enough, it's not going to seep through the mattress. So they're water resistant, really important. But I highly, highly recommend getting a mattress protector for your bed. It protects it, it keeps your warranty safe, and it also is good for your health. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.